Did you know that something as simple as a bowl of oats could completely transform your health? Imagine waking up every day feeling more energized, focused, and even shedding those extra pounds, just by making one small change to your breakfast routine. But what actually happens when you start eating oats every day? Could this humble grain really be the key to unlocking better digestion, lowering your cholesterol, or even boosting your mood? And more importantly, why aren't more people talking about it? In today's video, we're diving deep into the surprising science behind oats. You'll discover not just one, but multiple reasons why adding this superfood to your daily diet could be the best decision you ever make for your health. 1. Rich in nutrients. Oats are a powerhouse of essential nutrients, including vitamins, minerals, fiber, and antioxidants. A single serving of oats is packed with manganese, phosphorus, magnesium, copper, iron, zinc, folate, vitamin B1 thiamine, and vitamin B5, pantothenic acid. These nutrients play crucial roles in various bodily functions, from energy production to immune support. 2. Improved digestive health. Oats are a great source of both soluble and insoluble fiber, which promotes healthy digestion. The soluble fiber forms a gel-like substance in the gut, which helps to slow down digestion and allows for better nutrient absorption. Insoluble fiber, on the other hand, adds bulk to the stool, aiding in regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. 3. Heart health support. One of the most significant benefits of eating oats daily is their positive impact on heart health. Oats contain a type of soluble fiber called Beta-Glucan, which has been shown to reduce cholesterol levels. By lowering LDL bad cholesterol, oats help reduce the risk of heart disease and stroke. 4. Blood sugar regulation. Oats have a low glycemic index, meaning they release sugar slowly into the bloodstream. This slow release helps prevent spikes in blood sugar levels, making oats an excellent choice for people with diabetes or those looking to maintain stable energy levels throughout the day. 5. Weight management. Oats are incredibly filling, which can help with weight management. The high fiber content keeps you feeling full longer, reducing the likelihood of overeating. Additionally, oats are low in calories, making them a healthy and satisfying option for those looking to shed a few pounds. 6. Boosted immune system. The beta-glucan found in oats not only supports heart health, but also boosts the immune system. This fiber has been shown to enhance the body's immune response by activating immune cells, making you more resilient to infections and illnesses. 7. Improved skin health. Oats have been used in skincare for centuries due to their soothing and anti-inflammatory properties. Eating oats can help improve skin health from the inside out, reducing inflammation and providing essential nutrients like zinc and manganese that are vital for skin repair and protection. 8. Enhanced energy levels. Oats are a complex carbohydrate, which means they provide a steady source of energy throughout the day. Starting your morning with a bowl of oats can help you avoid the mid-morning slump, keeping you energized and focused. 9. Reduced risk of colon cancer. The high fiber content in oats supports healthy digestion and can reduce the risk of developing colon cancer. Studies have shown that a diet rich in fiber from whole grains like oats is associated with a lower risk of colorectal cancer. 10. Support healthy pregnancy. Oats are a rich source of folate, a vital nutrient during pregnancy. Folate plays a critical role in the development of the fetal brain and spinal cord. Eating oats daily can help ensure you're getting enough of this essential nutrient to support a healthy pregnancy. 11. Lower blood pressure. The fiber and antioxidants found in oats have been shown to help lower blood pressure. Regular consumption of oats can contribute to a healthier cardiovascular system, reducing the strain on your heart and blood vessels. 12. Improved insulin sensitivity. Oats can improve insulin sensitivity, which is crucial for maintaining healthy blood sugar levels. Improved insulin sensitivity helps your body use glucose more efficiently, reducing the risk of type 2 diabetes. 13. Bone health support. Oats contain several minerals that are essential for bone health, including calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus. These minerals work together to strengthen bones and reduce the risk of osteoporosis, especially as you age. 14. Antioxidant protection. Oats are rich in antioxidants, particularly a group called avenanthramides. These unique antioxidants help protect the body from oxidative stress, reducing inflammation and lowering the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and cancer. 15. Enhanced cognitive function. The nutrients in oats, such as iron, zinc, and B vitamins, play a crucial role in brain health. Regular consumption of oats can improve cognitive function, boost memory, and protect against age-related cognitive decline. 16. Natural detoxification. Oats contain natural compounds that support the body's detoxification processes. The high fiber content helps to bind and remove toxins from the digestive tract, while the antioxidants help neutralize harmful free radicals. 17. Reduced risk of asthma. Studies have shown that children who consume oats regularly are less likely to develop asthma. The anti-inflammatory properties of oats may help reduce the risk of asthma by preventing airway inflammation. 18. Improved gut microbiome. The fiber in oats acts as a prebiotic, feeding the beneficial bacteria in your gut. A healthy gut microbiome is essential for overall health, influencing everything from digestion and immune function to mood and mental health. 19. Support muscle function. Oats are a good source of protein, which is essential for muscle repair and growth. Incorporating oats into your diet can help support muscle function, especially when combined with a regular exercise routine. 20. Better sleep quality. Oats contain melatonin and complex carbohydrates that can promote better sleep. Eating oats in the evening can help boost your body's production of serotonin, a hormone that regulates sleep and mood. While oats are incredibly beneficial for most people, it's important to consider some potential drawbacks and limitations that may arise from eating them daily. Here are 5 key considerations. 1. Potential for gluten cross-contamination. Although oats are naturally gluten-free, they are often processed in facilities that handle gluten-containing grains like wheat, barley, and rye. This can lead to cross-contamination, making oats potentially unsafe for people with celiac disease or gluten sensitivity. If you have gluten intolerance, it's crucial to choose certified gluten-free oats to avoid adverse reactions. 2. Digestive issues in some individuals. Oats are rich in fiber, which is beneficial for digestion. However, for individuals who are not accustomed to a high-fiber diet, suddenly increasing fiber intake through daily oat consumption may cause digestive discomfort. Symptoms such as bloating, gas, and stomach cramps can occur as your body adjusts to the higher fiber intake. It's advisable to increase fiber gradually and drink plenty of water to help alleviate these symptoms. 3. Possible allergic reactions. Although rare, some people may have an allergy to oats, which can cause symptoms like itching, hives, or even more severe reactions such as difficulty breathing. Oat allergies are often related to a protein called avenin, which is similar to gluten. 4. Impact on blood sugar in processed forms. While whole oats have a low glycemic index and can help regulate blood sugar levels, processed forms of oats, such as instant oats or flavored oatmeal packets, often contain added sugars and artificial ingredients. These can cause a rapid spike in blood sugar levels, counteracting the benefits of oats for those managing blood sugar levels. 5. Caloric considerations for weight management. Oats are relatively calorie-dense, and while they are filling, the way they are prepared can significantly impact their caloric content. Adding ingredients like sugar, honey, dried fruits, nuts, or high-fat dairy products can turn a healthy bowl of oats into a high-calorie meal.